So hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. So welcome back to Annie the Busy Beauty and Lifestyle.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way.
I'm drinking my tea, my lemon tea. Sorry. So welcome back to Annie the Busy Beauty and Lifestyle. If you're new here, you're very much welcome. This light is distracting me so much, so I'm gonna just put it out so we can just use one. So um today I'm going to do unboxing and I'm going to try to, I'm looking if the camera is okay. Yeah, I think it's okay. So I'm going to try, let me put right here, distracted. So I'm going to unbox air plants. So we bought some air plants. If you know what air plants are, then you know what I'm talking about. So I bought some air plants and I just want to put them in a glass vase. You guys are seeing me. Let me go back a little bit. So I'm going to, they're in here and I'm going to unbox them. I bought them online. We bought them online, me and my husband, like we make decision together. So I'm going to show you guys what I have in here and what kind of air plants I have in here. So just so guys, I already have my scissors, so I'm going to open here and I'm going to show you because I already bought another one, but I didn't do unboxing. But I decided, let me show you guys this, the air plant. These plants, they don't need water, that they don't need like water. You can give it, you can just Google how to care for air plant. It doesn't need a lot of water and it's just decoration in your house and yeah, such. So if you want plants in your house and you're not consistent with giving water, air plants are one of the most beautiful plants. Like they look so good and you don't have to give them water every time. Like you just give it water once in a blue moon. You just put them in a, I will show you guys also how I will be taking care of mine and how I'm going to decorate them. I will show you that on the other video, but for now I'm just going to show you what I got. So they're just packed like this, as you can see, very neatly. And also this was written fragile, like a fragile packet, so they had to be very careful. So I removed this was on top, and this is what we have in here. So this is how they look like. So this is the air plant. This is how they look like. It can be big, it can be small. You see these sizes. You have also, they give flowers. Let me show you, because one of these have flowers. As you can see, they also give flowers, the pink flowers, as you can see here, right guys, there. So that's how they look. So because now they were in the whatever, and this is the root, but it doesn't have to be in the water. You just put them in your vase. Once in a while you have to take it, like I've told you guys. I will show you one of the time how to take care of this and how I'm going to decorate them in my house. I'm going to put them, we bought a special vases to use with this, or to put them in, and I'm going to show you guys, and also how I'm going to decorate them. And if you're not following me on my Instagram, my home decor Instagram, I will put the picture right here and the name, and I will write the name down here so you can go and check me out. Go and follow me. My account is private, but soon I will be putting it open, but for now it's private. So if you want to see how I'm going to decorate this, but I'll also show you guys on this channel, on YouTube channel, so don't worry. But if you want to see things that I do in the house, how I decorate my house, there's some things that I don't post, but I don't post here on YouTube, but I post them, there are pictures or some short videos, so you can just go and see there. I share my ideas and what I know. So yes guys, so this is how they look. Like this one has a flower, And I got a lot of pieces. So they have this one. You can see this one. This one is also this is a small one. As you can see, it's very small. And then we have with color. As you can see, this has like pink, or you see how it looks like. Very nice, very nice. I have a lot I bought, and this one, as you can see, this one, it has different kind of leaves. These are very thin, as you can see, so they come in several types. And also this one is a big one, but it doesn't have flower yet, so the more it grows, the more it will bloom. I don't know if it's called bloom or what. So I bought, and this one is still also small one, as you can see. And this one, look at this, nice, yeah. And this. So these are all that I bought. You know, you can even plant them if you go to Pinterest. If you check Pinterest and just type air plants, you will see how they decorate. Unbelievable. It's so beautiful, because with the air plant you don't need water, like to put it in water. So there's some people who just tie it on a stone, like very nice stone, you know, these decorative stones, very nicely. And that, oh my god, it's so beautiful. You can just also check them on Pinterest, and it's just air plant, and they decorate it many ways. I'm also going to take some ideas there, but I'm going to show you also how I'm going to decorate them. So yes guys, so if you're new here, you're very much welcome. If you're my oldie, you know that you're my oldie girl. You're always welcome here. So that was it guys, that I wanted to show you, to share with you. Maybe someone is interested on, maybe someone like plants in the house, but you don't, you're not consistent with giving water, or you have a problem of giving a lot of attention to your plant, and they always die. So this is an option. You can use air plant to decorate your home, and to make it more comfortable and neat and cozy, you know. So yes guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell, so every time I upload new video, you can get a notifications that I have uploaded new video. So guys, I wish you all the best. Be blessed, be you, do you, all will fall into its perfect place, and I see you on my next video. Be blessed. Mwah. Bye guys.